right, Skinny Jeans Challenge winners are going to be announced. I'm really excited beyond words. As you can see, we have all of these boxes ready to go. We have not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven. All of these amazing winners. Woo! All right, going live. Let me tag some of our friends. No stopping us now. All right, guys. Woo! I am beyond excited. Hello, Tammy. Can you hear me okay and see me okay? I want to make sure. Hi, Jennifer. Hello, beautiful women. Oh, yeah. Let me just tag some of our beautiful friends here, and I'm going to get going in 30 seconds. Vibrating higher. Totally positive. All right. Yay! Let's do this, shall we? First of all, I don't even know where to start, so I need my notes. Okay, congratulations to everyone who participated in the Skinny Jean Challenge. And look, my jeans, they zipped up. And I'm feeling slim and trim, no love handles, no muffin top, feeling fabulous. Congratulations to everyone that participated on some level. I am beyond excited for your progress, okay? So, what were some of the benefits of our Skinny Jean Challenge? Number one, you became more self-aware. You became more accountable. You linked pleasure to eating healthy. You got excited about taking the time to do your food prep and your meal preps and getting really in tune with, you know, it might taste a little bit good on the lips for just a little while, but it's going to be on the hips for a long time. So you reverse engineered it. You said, what can I eat to help me burn fat? A lot of the water foods, the celery, the cantaloupe, the salads. By the way, don't you feel like you guys actually ate more on this challenge? Isn't that wild? I saw all the fresh produce being pulled into your kitchens. I saw loads of greens, and you're eating the rainbow, and lots of your beautiful citrus water, lemon water, grapefruit, cucumber, avocado. So congratulations on that. You also formed new healthy habits that you're going to enjoy the entire rest of your life, not only just for the next week, but for your life, and you link pleasure to that because you got results. Okay, I'm looking for my measuring tape. You actually were able to lose inches where you wanted them and gain inches where you wanted. Body reformation, okay? So those new healthy habits you formed are going to be lifelong. I want to take the time to thank our sponsors. A lot of great sponsors came on board, okay? We have one of our VIP members, Greek Goddess Lashes. Thank you so much for Lula. Okay, some of our winners will receive those. We have Deluge Cosmetics. Thank you so much to Clara Madrid for all of her products. She donated a lot of great products. We also want to thank GT's Kombucha. We love you and appreciate you. And I still have a little bit of the sacred drink that you donated. Fit Aid, Enerby, also one of our newer sponsors that came on board, Dark Dog Organic. We love your organic energy drinks. We have more Life Aid. Wow, a lot of sponsors coming on board. Nuts and More. All of our winners won a full-size jar of the different flavors of Nuts and More. Protein infused, beautiful protein infused peanut butter. We have Kavita. And wow, Kiss My Keto. Last but not least, Kiss My Keto. We put a whole jar of MCT oil out there. Also, some birthday cake flavored coffee creamer. Oh my goodness. So tons of great sponsors. Thank you again to True Formula. I have my True Drops in my kitchen, and also we have the True Formula. A lucky winner won that as well. So save the date. Next challenge will be April 21st. There will not be a challenge in March. We've got a lot going on in March. So we're going to do that the end of April after Easter, okay? That'll be April 21st through the 27th. So make sure you put that on the calendar, okay? But we're going to be doing other fun group activities. Believe you me, I'm going to keep you very engaged and very stimulated and very much excited about your wellness program. Now, most importantly, we raised a lot of money for St. Jude's Children's Hospital, about $240. So I'm very grateful for that, putting those miracles out there. helping a family, helping a child. It's small, but just the meaning behind it. We're going to do more charity work together, so I'm really grateful for that being the change we want to see in the world. Okay, before I go to the winners, tomorrow there is no workout. There will be a replay at 8 a.m. I will be doing that. Come back on Thursday for our next live with a booty shaping workout called That Bubble is Trouble. Okay, I'm going to get you in trouble with your bubble back there. Then on Thursday, we're doing a 1:15 Jolt to JNL. Great questions. We'll be going over all the chakras. Friday, there's a 15-minute ab attack. Saturday, there is the last workout of February, which is the I Am positive affirmation workout. Saturday shredder. And progress reports are due because I can't believe that the first day of March is this Sunday. We're marching on. Progress reports are due no later than Tuesday, March 2nd. Tuesday, March 3rd. All right, so here we go. In no particular order, I want you guys, in the progress reports, make sure you mention everything that you gained and all that you accomplished. Okay, in no particular order, I'm going to be going over the 9 winners. Number 1, Latasha Imhoff of Vancouver, Canada. Congratulations. You brought your A game with your metallic painted on jeans, okay? We loved your food pics, your motivational updates, and I love how you rooted on your fellow VIPs. Congratulations. You even did like a little bit of a fasting post and excited other members. So I love how you approached it with your signature independent style. We salute you and we believe in you. Great. And Rita, we're going to go now to Florida, North Florida. Rita, we love you. I love how you did a food haul during your lunch break. That really stood out on me. I know you're a busy woman, and even for you to go do a food haul on your lunch break, that spoke volumes. We love all your food pics, and even working out with a lower back issue, that you didn't give up on yourself. You posted your skinny jean update saying, even though I didn't feel like working out and I wasn't 100%, I still showed up and did it. And you put on those jeans and you took that picture. So congratulations to you. Your box will be coming to you shortly. Alicia, you did the skinny jean challenge and then some, even during your busy move. Congratulations. This was your first challenge. You're one of our newer VIP members. So grateful for you. Congratulations. Your box will be coming to you. What stood out to me about you is that you did the food hauls, even another one, and then you were moving, and then you did a walk with your ankle weights, and you were always there. Positive energy and all, rooting on your fellow VIP sisters. So congratulations. We poured a lot of love into your box, and I know you're going to love it. Congratulations. You should be very proud of yourself, and you look good in those skinny jeans with your late update. So proud of you. All right, now we're going to be going from Vancouver to Florida to Texas. Now we're going to go to Las Vegas to Brooke Gillespie Trout, our best-selling author. Definitely so proud of you. Why? Because you got out of your comfort zone. You took your before photo in your skinny jeans and then even your after. And you even said to me, you know what, I'm a little bit way out of my comfort zone, but that's what it's about. So way to go on that. And you even finished your next book, your next novel during the Skinny Jean Challenge. What does that say to you? That this is a sustainable program. You can do this program and you can crush your business goals, your passions, and have creative energy, not be drained and exhausted because you're doing endless bouts of cardio and eating little to nothing. And I love your food pics. I love the soup that you made. So way to go. Congratulations. Your goodie box is full of so much love, and I know you're going to love it. Now we're going to be going to the Illinois, Chicago area. Lola, we love you, Lola Ennis. She brought her VIP game. She shared her food pics. She did some fun videos. And even when she was dancing, she just danced and she was happy. So we're really rooting for you for your April show with Tammy. You guys are on fire. I love how you showed some budget-friendly ways on getting your fresh produce in with the lemon crystals that were really cool to, it's portable, and your egg whites, and just showing your food pics and just sharing your journey on this challenge with us. So congratulations. I know you're going to love your box. Chelsea, what Chelsea eats. We love your positive energy. We love your big salads that go on for days. I love how you said that it's like eating your medicine. I watched one of your videos and it inspired me. You said, look, ladies, this big salad doesn't taste like fried chicken. You know, it doesn't taste like fried chicken, but if you train your taste, you'll trim your waist. You also eat with a healing angle to heal fibroids, to heal your body on a cellular level. So from one fun fit foodie to another, I recognize you and I acknowledge you. And I love how you motivate us all with your big salads and your colorful smoothies. And we loved your food haul last night with the onions and and you were like, here's lemons. Oh, what's behind her? More lemons. Oh, and at the end you had more lemons. It was like, I'm like, anything with lemons, count me in. Congratulations. All right, now we're going to Sally. Sally in Oregon, you killed this skinny jean challenge even during your birthday week. Hello? Who loses weight during their birthday week? With family gatherings, with birthday cake, with birthday presents. You did. So proud of you. What stood out with me is that you were there to root on your fellow sisters always. I loved how you went to aid another sister when she was asking a couple of questions and you gave so much advice and even links. Thank you so much. It really means a lot that you're so on it, even with 5 kids and grandchildren during your birthday week. I mean, it just speaks volumes that you're in it to win it and you're dedicated, you know, and that you didn't bloat out on a big cake. You did it. Proud of you. And your energy shines for eons. Congratulations. All right, now we're going to be going to Ohio. We have Shelby Bolander, who I call the Miss Original Red Hot. Beautiful glamma. We've been friends for years. I've seen your children grow up into young adults now, being mothers, and you're a glamma. And let me tell you what, Graceland's got one sexy glamma, and that's you. I love your rededication, your commitment that has been ignited in this year 2020, and that you brought out the food haul. You brought out your food picks, and you're like, I'm bringing my bullet at work and making my blended smoothies at work. You just went above and beyond, so congratulations. We recognize that, and we love how you're always there online, ready to go for the workouts, and just giving positive, supportive comments to all of your VIPs and posting on Instagram as well. We're so proud of you. Way to go. And you bought those new pair of white pants. You deserve it. You're going to look great. And you bought them in a size smaller. So I see your intention. As your coach, I could not be more proud of you. Congratulations. All right, now we're going to be going to Canada to our beautiful, young, yummy mummy, Michelle Latour. You posted the pic of you in your waist trainer. You posted some fun pics. You were there always for the workouts, shared some food photos, and also rooting on for our VIP sisters. I really recognize that. So thank you so much. And I love also how you said, I know it's a skinny jean challenge, but I've already lost 2 sizes in my wedding dress. I have to take it in. I'm beyond excited about that. So even the skinny jean challenge works for other things that you want to wear, whether it's a wedding dress, and you're going to look beautiful. So we're really excited about you. And you're going to be a healthiest, happiest mom for your cute little baby. We love Logan. So congratulations. Your box is filled with so much love. All right, last but not least, our 9th winner, we have Kathy Ward, who is amazing, who loves this group so much. I know she might be quiet during the day, but she works a 9 to 5. But every morning she sends me a personal message at 5 a.m. with positive energy. And then afterwards, when she gets off of work, she sends me another message saying, about to push that replay. She does those replays religiously. And let me tell you what, she blew it out of the water when she posted her skinny jean challenge. I know it was a skinny jean challenge, but you also threw a little bit of ab challenge in there because your abs looked so flat, not even bloated, and you looked amazing. I mean, really turning back the hands of time. You look like you're in your 30s, and I just love how you took the time to post those, and you are shining brighter than ever. Now, I have to give some special acknowledgments from everyone, from Kim Horan, that we're always pushing each other, and Susan Lozier, thank you for donating the True Trim drops and everything that you put into our group. Diana posting her skinny jean pics. Yes, you guys all did amazing, and I'm so grateful. Kat, love the grilled salmon photo that you shared with us. You're just always going above and beyond. We're stronger together. So, and Nina, thank you for your rooting us on. We got Nina in the UK loving our workouts. So it really is about making the time for ourselves. And when you give, you receive. I'm a big proponent in karma. So when you root on your sister, you're actually rooting for yourself back. It's a symbiotic, synergistic relationship with yourself. So all of these boxes were packed with love. We had 2 international and 7 domestic, and I'm so grateful. When I was packing them together, I was loving every minute of it. I just feel like every day is Christmas here. And as more sponsors come on, the boxes are going to get bigger and bigger. And don't forget, before we sign off, we will have the next clinic master class 1 week from this Friday, March the 6th, which is Thighs the Limit, and I'll be giving away the Pilates ring, okay? So tons of more giveaways and special updates. We also put the next question and answer live in the calendar for March, which is March 18th. And I'll be putting up a really cool bundle together for everyone that tunes in live to that as well, okay? So, with that being said, congratulations. This was a huge, wild success. Thank you, Yelly. Teamwork makes the dream work. Absolutely. This was a wildly successful challenge. Most importantly, we created lifelong habits and also shared what works for us so we could then encourage and empower others, right? Thank you to all my beautiful members worldwide. Please, once you get your boxes, take the time to post and share and tag our fellow sponsors, because that is very much appreciated. And with that being said, guys, I hate to sign off. I'm just like so excited. Let's just pinky promise to continue with the healthy food pics and sharing our workouts and our updates, because sharing is caring, and that's, you know, what makes the VIP sisterhood work. What makes a beehive work, all the buzz, all the excitement, all the synergy to build a beautiful life here on this very, very, very temporary experience, you know. So thank you so much, Tammy. We love you. And thank you, Shelby. By the way, big ups to Reba for driving to see Tammy and Tammy opening up her home. Loved seeing that as well. They did donate to the challenge, but they were like, I want other people to win. So we won't be posting as much. We're going to be rooting on. So thank you again for your love and taking a little bit of a backseat on this challenge. We love you. Ladies, keep pushing on. Keep staying motivated and keep staying inspired. And if you need anything, I'm just one text, phone call, email, WhatsApp away. You guys know that. For those that are watching that are not members, you're missing out on a lot of great giveaways. You're missing out on great coaching, insight, community, empowering everyday daily exercises that help you crack your success code, okay? So join jnovip.com. It's only $1 for your first 30 days, $24.99 every month after that, and you get to meet some of the most amazing women. Now, don't be offended if you're not accepted. I'm looking for the right women that are ready to push themselves, answer their internal call that say, I'm ready to do more in my life, and are truly ready, willing, and able to be a powerful team player and to allow the magic and miracles and blessings to flow into their life in all areas of their life. It's just not about a number on a scale. It's about so much more, okay? Thank you, ladies. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back on Thursday with That Bubble is Trouble. So come back for that, and I'll see you then. Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye. Congratulations, Brooke. Love you, Rita. God bless you. Thank you so much, Kim. Love you guys. Nina, I'll see you guys soon. God bless you.